Welcome. Yes. To Commodity Mondays, where we go over everything that has to do with commodities. Yes. Look at my balls jiggle on my face. It's like a sack hypnotizing you. Commodity Mondays, where we fleece, heist, and shice. Yes, we do. The criminal gangster cartel. And protect ourselves against inflation. You can see support, resistance, right? We've hit it there briefly. And then we hit it as resistance a couple times, and now it broke out. Now we got all these moving averages in the way, right? That's a problem. It's a big problem for this coin right now in its young life. You got a lot of moving averages in the way, and I think a lot of heavy sell pressure because look at that. There's no volume anymore. And the big volume, the three big spikes in volume, sell, sell, sell. So what that means is all of them shysters and fleecers and heisters of this coin that got loaded up to promote it and got loaded up because they made it, sold in every rally, and then it dumped. Then every time the price pumped, they just dumped and they dumped. Now there's no more of that selling into the market and the hysteria from the retail to buy those shares up to make those guys rich. So the volume's dead now because they're done selling. They've unloaded all their coins. And if I had to guess, we got to get some but that's why you start out from the far out time frame, because you see how super simple and easy it is to trade this market when you start from the far out time frame. And then you see you got major support and resistance rate of val. You see that? You say, how the fuck did you come up with that? Because bam. Support, resistance, right? Now it's coming back, so we know that plays significance. And as I zoom in now for more sexy glowing data points, because there's more hour time frame data points than the 4 hour time frame, you see you're running into overhead 200, and that's major resistance. If you can squeeze above it, you could come up to this point, I don't know, 6 zeros and a 7, and then you're going to get rejected. I think you're coming back down here in the near future, and then you're coming back down now. But you're going to have to break that and then trade and then down. I think you're coming way down in this coin. Yes, you could pop real quick, but I think you would get topped out at point a bunch of 0.732 is as high as you're going to go in that garbage. I do not recommend even being in that, but if you want to gamble, you go do whatever the fuck you want, right? I don't give a shit. I'm not gambling in there. I'm gambling in mining stocks in this bitch. And Commodity Mondays, we're going to have the debut XRP Future Millionaire and a side bet on XLM and a future DigiByte OG have come up with what we think is a huge moneymaker in this field of this mining. It's a very limited mining sector as I hit some more hashisha and mutta. Right? It's a very restricted market. Only 2 countries are allowed to buy this shit. It's heavily controlled and regulated. There's always a handful of companies, and a few of these companies, as I'll get into on Commodity Mondays, have popped from this price. Right? You can see what I've already done for you as we give you an intro. You can see that we're in a falling wedge, and those are bullish reversal patterns when they're angled down. Right? When they're up, they're bearish reversals. So this pattern is being exhausted. Often you notice a rounding bottom like you are as the buyers or bulls start to take over the market and the sellers or the bears lose control of the market, and the price is going to come up. And as you know from all these wedges, rising wedges that break down because they're bearish reversals, this is a falling wedge, which are bullish reversals. The price target is the top of the wedge. And the top of the wedge is all the way up here. Over $1, 95 cents-ish to nearly $1.50. And that's what all these other mining stocks have done that mine this shit. And they've skyrocketed. We'll get rid of that. We'll go to our industry exclusive company-made measuring tool. And just at the low end, 95 cents. That's a 236% gain. And you have a chance of coming way up there after a while. And you can see the volume is increasing, right? As the price is continued to fall. The market right now is trying to tell you that something is happening here. Come on. Give me my industry exclusive drawing tool. You see this volume? Look at that. The volume's been declining for a decade after a huge pump back in 2013. And now the volume has started to pick up, and it's buy volume. Let's zoom in. Look at that. Look at that buy volume. It's telling you it's priming itself to break out. And I'm going to load up along with XRP Future Millionaire. We are going to load up, and we're backing the truck up as we speak. We've had to rent U-Hauls and reinforce the U-Hauls because we have backed the truck up so much, because this is going to have to be made immediate play. The volume's telling you it's loading up, and it's getting ready to break out of this nearly 10-year resistance, that white line up now, and it's going to pop. And you got to be in it before it pops, because when it pops, it's too late, and you're just riding the train. And this is an emergency buy alert, and I'm going to get extensively in the Cmrzf resource, what they mine, how they mine, where they mine, and how they are able to mine. And I mean, this chart's telling you you're about to have a massive bull run, and there's going to be 2, 3, 4, 500% returns in this mining stock. Yes, it's a gamble. You buy it. I will continue to buy this until it breaches. At current price, let's zoom in until it breaches here to now. Until it breaches this 40-cent level and this resistance. As long as it's below its downtrending resistance, I will buy on every dip. So I'm
Yeah, Phil. No. I'm not a financial advisor. No, I'm not. No. Do I play one on my radio show? Phil, don't be the rock side, bro. No, I'm not a financial advisor, Phil. Yeah, I got a guy. See, that knows a guy. See, that's a guy. See, so you need a financial advisor, do you, Phil? Well, that's not me, Phil.
Welcome back to Commodity Mondays, where we're going to go over a new speculation that I have. And we can see we're taking a little beating today. But we're going to go into here, and we're going to do some speculating on this. It's speculation. I do not recommend that you buy this, but I'm going to buy it. And we'll go look over at the chart real quick. You see it's down 2% today. It's had a huge pump recently. All these other companies similar to this, I think it's worth a gamble of a few thousand shares to start. I think this is going to have a massive breakout soon. And it's getting rejected by upper resistance. I think it's just building up. I think this is due to break out. Their money's been flowing in. Their revenue's been coming in strong. We're going to do a limit order because you can get fucked on these low cap ones. So it bids 23. So 24 is the highest I'm willing to go. 24 cents. I'm going to go 3,000 shares. Nope, I don't have that much money. 2,000 shares. Still don't have enough money. Damn, that's expensive. 1,500, really? Wow. I think I got that. We'll go 700 to start. I got some other stuff I want to buy. 1,000. What the fuck's 700? So we'll go 1,000 to start. Limit order 24 cents. Good until cancel. Preview, yes. So this is a speculation. There is no dividend, but I think this thing's going to explode. We'll see if it bought it. No.
See, it's open. Let's see how much it fucks me. This would be a lesson why you don't do this. You see, 24 was the highest that it said. Orders back. Maybe they only buy this at the beginning of the day. Market, close, bought. So let's see what I got fucked on. Yeah, 1.5%. You see that shit? They fucked me out of $4. That's why you don't use market orders. You get screwed. But we're going to speculate on that. And if that dips down to 15 cents, we're going to back the truck up. And we're going to keep accumulating slowly but surely. Balance, what do we got? $94. We can accumulate something else. Ooh, we're getting fucking hammered there. I forgot I had that shit. I'm getting hammered in Riot Blockchain. That's not good. 73 fucking dollars. Woof. Getting hammered. Hopefully that settles down today and I can unload some of that to diversify. Might just have to take a loss. What a stupid gamble that was. But what's down right now? Wow, that's anything down today? That's up. Obviously, that's down, but I'm not buying any more of that. We're just going to have to get out of that. That was a horrible play on my part. Just fucked myself out of some monies. Buy some more of this. We have enough for 3. And that's that. We'll do some more buying as I unload this fucking Riot for $100 loss like a buffoon. What a dumbass. Well, it was worth a shot. Where's that fucking pile of garbage at? Holy fuck. We got to get rid of some of this because that might go up more. What a stupid play. Yeah, we're getting hammered. We're going to downsize.